Hey friends, it is Monica Genta here, and I am so stinking excited to be bringing something new to your Sundays. Starting today and every Sunday afterwards, I am going to be releasing a brand new vlog series. Now, if you don't know what a vlog is, it's kind of like a blog, but it's in video format. So every Sunday you are going to get a video that is going to be filled with amazing information, tips, and tricks from other teachers just like you. And all of this is going to be happening in less than 6 minutes. Everybody got time for 6-minute Sunday to get tips, tricks, and awesome advice from teachers. That way you can start your new week and go and crush it in the classroom. So without further ado, let me bring you the very first ever vlog, 6-minute Sunday, coming at you right now. I promise you these ideas are going to transform education for you from average to awesome. So let's get rolling. Hey girl, hey, how's it going?
Hey, good, how are you? It's so good to see you.
I know, I feel like we haven't really talked, we've talked on Instagram, but we haven't seen each other since our little koozie situation in the Vegas.
Since you stole the dance floor.
I did steal the dance floor and I stole your koozie on accident, so.
Yeah, no worries. You sent me a beautiful one.
Okay, so yes, little Illinois pride, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Whitney, I'm super pumped for you to be on the teacher vlog today, giving tips and tricks to help teachers crush it in the classroom. So just tell us a little bit about yourself.
So I have been teaching for 6 years. I live in San Diego, California. I have taught 4th grade, 3rd grade, 1-2 combo, and K through 5 intervention. So I have taught many different grades in my short period of time teaching. But
awesome. Good variety. Get you in there and learning new things. I love it.
Yes.
Okay, so in that 6 years, I'm sure you have just a million tips or tricks to share with teachers, but we're going to go with 2 today. So what would be your first tip or trick that you think that all teachers need to know?
You know, for me, something that's really helped my classroom community is greeting my students at the door in the morning. Even if it's just a handshake or a fist bump or a high five, just saying their name and saying good morning has really changed the culture of my classroom and really made them feel like excited to come into my room.
That's especially important. Yeah.
Yes.
In the morning time, like right out the gate, to have that positive adult interaction, like it's something so small, but it's super meaningful for them to feel like.
Yeah, and it's so easy as a teacher to be like, oh, I have to set this up, or I have to do this, or take attendance, or do this. But making the students know that they're the priority when you come in the room in the morning, I think has really made all the difference for my kids.
Yeah.
So.
I call that Harry Wong in them. Did you ever read The First Days of School by Harry Wong? It's like
yes,
classic,
I did.
right?
I did.
Yeah. It's like modern day Harry Wong. So I love it. Very cool. All right. So what would be the second tip then?
I think as a newer teacher, it's really easy to get caught up in the stress with parent communication, especially like with conferences and things like that. That is like the most stressful time. And something that I've done for myself is to stop responding to parent emails after 5 p.m. I mean, I know you might want to get back to them and it's just going to bug you if you don't, but really separating that from and having that work-life balance has been super beneficial in terms of me being able to enjoy when I get home and not be working all the time. Because in our profession, it's so easy to not turn the teacher brain off.
Yeah.
You know, and just totally work all the time. So that's really helped me in just knowing and telling my parents, you know, give me 24 hours to get back to you because we have lives too, and we deserve that that time to recharge and refresh ourselves for the next day.
Yeah.
So that's been helpful.
That's an awesome point, because I think so many teachers struggle with like extreme teacher guilt, right?
Yes.
Like, this is not a job where you can just like, all right, I'm in the classroom and I'm out of the classroom and I'm leaving everything at school. Like, yeah, right. Like that's just not going to happen. So to create that balance.
Yeah. And I think parents too, like, they don't understand, you know, they want to know what's best for their kid and they want to know right then and there. So if you establish that boundary and know, like, I care about your child and I love your child and I will get back to you, I promise. But, you know, remind them that you're also human and you also, you know, have off hours. I think that's important.
Yeah.
So.
And I'm sure people's significant others and kids will appreciate that too, right?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
so many teachers are not just caring for their students as kids, but they're caring for their own kids and have their own things. And so I think that's important. And don't feel guilty. Like, it's
Yes.
okay.
Teacher guilt is real, so just let it go. You know, learn strategies to turn the teacher brain off when you get home.
Yeah.
So.
Awesome. All right. Anything else that you want people to know? I know you've got a very active and very exciting Instagram. I love your Wednesdays with Whitney.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. So for all of you who aren't following Whitney on Instagram, she does a little Q&A on Wednesdays. That's really fun and it's interactive. So you got to check that out. But anything else? Any last minute thoughts here?
No, I mean, I just think it's important. We're all teachers. We're all learning. We're all trying. So just supporting and encouraging each other in this community and in this online community especially is just so important. So, yeah.
Cool. All right. Hey, Whitney, thank you so much for crushing it for kids. And we are definitely going to talk soon.
Yes. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, for sure.
Love seeing your face.
Good to see your face too. Wasn't that some great stuff? I'm telling you, sometimes it's those simple tips and tricks that really make a difference and really get us refocused on what is important in education. If you like this and you are ready for the next 6-Minute Sunday, don't worry, we're only a week away. Here's how you can continue to make this happen for you every single week. 2 things. You can subscribe. Greatest thing ever, click below on the link and you can get these directly delivered to you every single week. Also, do me a favor, share this out with some teachers who are in your little social media circle so they too can enjoy these amazing ideas that are coming from teachers, right? Like, we have to be sharing our ideas and the things that are working for us and that encouragement and that enthusiasm to make sure that every single day that we walk into our school, we are loving that experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and we will see you next week for another round of 6-Minute Sunday. Crush this week in your classroom. You got this.